Hello friends, welcome back to Education Video Corner. Guys, in this video I am sharing on Python problem with solution. Our Python problem is given a list, write a Python program to convert them given list to a string. So our input is a list, but our output is a only string. So guys, this is our problem statement. In this problem I have approached two different methods. So guys, my name is Puvarasi. So before going to the video, please hit the subscribe button. Guys, let's start our video. So today I am using VS Code editor. Let's start our video. So I create a Python file. So guys, our Python file name is list2string.ipynb. Just like click it and then expand our screen. So I create one function. Diff keyword I am using, and our function name is list string. And then our input parameter is list as input, so I mentioned li, and then pass it. First of all, I assign the list. Welcome is one list element. To EVC. Welcome to EVC. So this is our list. So there are three elements present in this list. So we want one single string in this list. So I written in this place I using some conditions and then some methods. So I use the pause statement string result. Sorry. I create one variable that's name as string result. So in this place, join all the elements of the list with a single string. So I am using the join method. So here I create one empty string space dot join in our input list li. Return string result. So guys, print list string of li. Now I run it. Wait a second. Now see this. Welcome to EVC. We have cross-checked it. Our answer is print type of li, and then just in this place I type it. Now I run it. So this initially our input assigned as a string. Sorry, initially our input assigned as a list, but after I am using the join method in our function, our answer return as a string. So guys, this is the first approach. We are using the join method. Now we are using the another concept. So I get another code, right? So just I copy some lines. So I got it. Then I altered this one. I remove it, and then this is not what I want. Okay. This now I write some concept. Initially, I am assigned the result string as empty. Now I will write our logic. So we have looping our input list for. Now I am looping our input list for item in li result string. Sorry, string result. String result. Actually, if any items there, you can every time you can convert it our empty string. Result string place are equal to item plus empty. So this is the logic. This initially our input we assign the result string is empty. After we are looping our input, every time result string for items is present, every time it will additionally added. So this is the logic. So this is the if I remove in this one, what happened now? See this. See this, there is no empty space, it is not readability. So in the purpose I am using the place, I conquered the another place and then I had a empty string. After now I run it. See this welcome to EVC. So this is the logic. Guys, I hope in these two methods very helpful for you. If helpful, please hit the subscribe button and then share with your friends and family. Thank you, baby. See you later.